Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing HackerRank problem diagonal difference. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. All right, so how do we index or just index a diagonal in a square matrix? So from left to right, we want to get the numbers that have the same index as row and column, right? So this is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so let's do that. Our left to right is going to be a summation of this array that has the same index for I in range length of this array, right? However, we should just put the length of the array in a variable called n, so it's just easier, more readable for I in range n, right? And then how do we get right to left? So if you can see here, we want 0, 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, and 2, 0, right? So we can see that when this I is at 0, we want the kind of inverse over here, right? So we can do that by starting from the right index, basically getting this number or the length and minusing I from it, because when I is 0, it's going to be 3 minus 0, which is 3, but because our matrix starts at a 0th index, we're going to do -1 as well from it, right? And you can see here that we want to return the absolute difference, right? So we're just going to return ABS left to right minus right to left and submit this code. I don't know why it's taking this long, but yeah, passed all the test cases. Great, so I hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe for more.